Hi everyone, and welcome back to MoeShorts. Now, growing up, we've been typically told about 5 senses, such as sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell. But did you know that our body has over a dozen different types of senses? Now, to be considered a sense, our body would have to have certain sensors or receptors that can detect information and send it through our central nervous system through multiple feedback loops. So our eyes basically have 2 different types of sensors. Rods that can detect the intensity of light, and cones that can detect color, basically the primary colors ranging in between as well, such as red, green, and blue. Now, hearing has to do with frequencies that go through our eardrums, and these are called sound sensors. What's also cool that I just found out is that our ears have the ability to detect orientation based on our gravitational field. Now, our skin, though, has at least 5 different types of senses, at least, such as hot, cold, pain, an itch, and pressure. But what I like to also throw in here is like cellular communication, such as neurotransmitters coming from one cellular body to another. Some may call this like twin telepathy, or even just feeling like an itch when you think someone's looking at you. Now, our nose has over 400 different types of sensors that can detect over 1 trillion different odors. Yes, 1 trillion different odors. So when you think something smells familiar, thank your memory because it's able to differentiate smell. Our tongue has about 5 different taste buds. That's what we like to call these receptors. Just salty, sweet, sour, bitter, and umami. But I also like to think of spicy as a sense of taste because we can all tell when something's a little too spicy. Now, our muscles allow us to know what different types of muscles and joints are located within our body, such as motion, tension and pressure, and just where things are, such as spatial awareness. Spatial awareness is knowing where your body parts are relative to a certain space and time. So let's say, where is my nose? I'll be able to detect it with my eyes closed. And then there are the senses that we typically don't command as much as we should, such as our bladder. Our bladder lets us know when it's time to go to the bathroom. And our large intestines let us know that it's time to release certain nutrients out of our body. This also has a big part of letting us know when we're hungry or thirsty. So if you hear like a little just know that it's time to eat. Now, let's not forget the female menstrual cycle, because 9 times out of 10, we can tell when it's coming. Now, some people can actually detect impending weather changes, such as when it's about to rain or when a new season is going to approach. Then there's the senses like your gut intuition, like when something bad is going to happen, or if you shouldn't do something at all, or if you think someone's just lying to you. These also go hand in hand with like frequencies and like vibing with people. All in all, we can conclude that all senses have sensors or receptors that sends data throughout our central nervous system in multiple feedback loops, so that we're able to transfer data and be more alert, aware, and react to our environmental factors. Don't forget that your memory has a big part on how we remember things. So when you recognize a certain smell, a certain tune, or just a certain taste, thank your memory. Now, don't forget, all natural objects vibrate within a certain frequency. So let's learn to meditate and modulate with our bodies so that we can awaken new senses. Thanks again. See you next shorts.